This is just a quick tutorial on how to use a C-clamp to make a side disc carrier like you see us using. This C-clamp carrier holds your disc securely and it is easy to remove, just like that. These are the items I use. Hot milk gun, lighter, pair of pliers, an awl, C-clamp, mini carabiner, paracord, scissors, a drill with an 1/8 inch bit. Take your C-clamp and mark it with an awl. Most of the time they have an extra hole here. Drill 2 holes. Clean up your holes. For me, I like to take these original pieces off. They come off anyway. I use a hot milk glue gun to glue, fill up in this here, so it ends up like this. Take a short piece of paracord, heat the end of it, and cool it down quickly so you end up with a flat surface. Cools down, that's what it looks like. Okay. Take the other end of the paracord and heat it up and make it a bit sharp without burning yourself. Insert the sharp end of the paracord through there. Put the other one through the other side here. Decide how long a cord you want. Cut it off. Use to cool it. And there you go. There's your hook. Hook it on your belt loop or someplace on your pants, and there you go.